first of all, your reaction to what the Prime Minister said yesterday. It didn't go quite as far as to this sort of automatic exclusion from those who come from designated safe countries, but it went to some extent that way.
Well, I think it will. When we see the law in front of the House, I suspect it will go all the way towards the automatic exclusion. He's being a bit careful for the simple reason that there are two legal routes that the bogus asylum seekers pursue. One is asylum, and the other one is some form of claim under the Modern Slavery Act. People claiming that they have been trafficked, and neither of those really should apply from a safe country like Albania. I mean, Albania isn't the only safe country. Sweden lists about 6, I think, including Albania, Mongolia, Serbia, and so on. So, but he was basically focusing mostly on the operational changes yesterday, and they're necessary, but by themselves they won't break the back of the problem. And the reason we wrote, there were 60 MPs. I mean, I was the lead signatory, but there were 60 MPs on that letter, was to just point out the obvious that Albania is a safe country. It's got fewer references to the European Court in the last 5 years than we do. That most other countries in Europe accept 0 asylum seekers from them, and the only one that's a significant recipient other than us is Italy, which can't control its borders under any circumstances. So the problem is that we have become the soft touch of Europe. And that's what the Albanian gangs who are organising these dangerous cross-channel episodes. They have spotted that, and that's why we've gone from nothing to whatever it is, 14,000 now, in less than 2 years. So we have to put that right, and that's going to be critical. I think he knows that. I think he's basically tiptoeing slightly towards it because he's got to get his way through the morass of previous legislation from the Home Office.